my rear view. When you pray to God, can he hear you? Shit, I don't really know, but I hear you. And furthermore, I understand and I feel you. Shit, I look up to my mom, but she's old school. And I love her, but she don't know what I go through.
Još jedna lidara, koliko sam zari, ali to sam bila manja, nisam
Hit the weed, man, I don't smoke, but tonight I think I'ma get it in and get up in my zone and just zone. And to the soldiers coming home, I'm sorry for the delay. You probably feel betrayed, but nothing could be farther from the truth. You're not alone. We got you up a night. Take a look at the clock and see them.
Then this is special for you. This move for you from Favorite Crew.
We hope you enjoyed it.
Take a look at the clock and see I'm down to my final hour. I'm talking about, they say the perfect life exists right in them churches. No, I say a perfect life doesn't exist where this earth is. I say a purposeful life is a life full of purpose. I got a future full of soul and a past full of hearses. I resurrect them in my birth.
Bro, give me the... No, aspetta perché sto riprendendo. Wiz Khalifa.
Right now I'm in my own lane all day, alright, what up? The most live MC, I'm feeling like Pac, all eyes on me. So if y'all ready, let's ride on.